Hi guys, it's me Tiger from Slovakia and we are here on Ispo 2018 next to awards from various products. So we can see here is a hybrid shovel, Avalanche shovel, which has integrated Avalanche pole in itself, exactly in this part. And also next to it you get also bivouac shelter, as you can see in here, whereas the whole shelter is built from the prop on the top. Then it is built in behind from the Avalanche shovel, as you can see. And the side structures are built thanks to tracking poles. So from my side, it is very interesting. We will see in the future what will the tests explain to customers, and we see us in another video. Bye.